Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Clickbank sign up problem. First, you need to go to clickbank.com. Scroll down and fill up the required information in order to sign up for your account. Now, if it shows any error in it, you need to close this window and reopen the page in a new tab. It will reload the page and the error might be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, you need to search ZenMate Web Store. ZenMate is a type of extension which can easily be installed and added on your web store. Click on this website. Now click on Add to Web Store. It shows for whatever web browser you're using. Once this extension is added to your browser, go back to the bank page. Your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.